Hello, children. Today we are going to learn about vehicles, things that move us from one place to another. A vehicle is something that carries people or goods from one place to another. Some vehicles move on land. Cars, buses, bicycles, and trucks move on roads. A car helps people travel easily and quickly. A bus carries many people at the same time. Some vehicles move on water. Boats and ships travel on rivers and oceans. Some vehicles move in the air. Airplanes and helicopters can fly high in the sky. We must stay safe around vehicles. Always wear your seatbelt and look both ways before crossing the road. Glow and pulse gently. Vehicles make different sounds. Can you hear the car horn? Can you hear the airplane? Can you name these vehicles? Which one moves on water? Which one flies in the sky? Vehicles help us travel safely and quickly.